There's one straight southwest. He's healing his friend now.
I see him.
Can you take the shot? Or no?
Fuck.
He's tagged twice.
I fucking tagged once from 300 or 285. I think.
That's blue.
Tagged him.
I got the moving in on 285.
He's moving up the hill.
Yep.
You can run over? No.
How have I not killed this
One
guy?
close, one close. Approaching from southwest.
Circle's fucking us.
We're okay for now. There's one real close though.
Still one north close as well. He's moving on the top of the hill, trying to get away.
So we gotta kill some people.
There's one like at the shed of, unless he died outside play zone. One did, but I don't know if that's him. What do you guys see?
He was moving to your right a little bit there, Centrix. He was up on that hill, moving to the right. I think he went up to the crest of the hill.
Is that a crate or a guy at 105?
I don't see anything.
Right next to a tree.
Straight 105, I don't see anything.
We've got guys on the crest of the hill at due east, behind the tree.
35 seconds. Do we know what our back is like right now?
No,
Our back is bad. North is bad.
I feel very exposed even inside the house.
25 seconds.
We're gonna have to move, guys.
I'm gonna
One's
push
up.
the guy north.
Push the
Pushing
ridge.
north.
Alright. I'm coming downstairs, pushing north.
What?
Got the one north. We're clear north.
What do you see? What do you see?
To our left. To our left.
What's left?
Heading, man.
North. He's dead.
12 alive. 6 to kill.
North is clear. North is clear.
So it sounds like there's a bunch southeast and there's only 9 alive. 8 alive.
Do you want high ground or what?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, there's 4 alive, guys. We're good. I'm gonna swoop left.
I'm with you, mate. Switch it down.
Coming with.
Anybody have ammo or stims or anything?
I have ammo. What kind of ammo?
5.56.
I'll give you 5.56.
Yeah, I got 5.56 all day.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Come to Centrix.
1 minute.
5.56. I'm dropping it on the
Coming
ground.
to you right now, buddy.
Alright, it's on the ground.
Thank you.
I got 1 stun grenade, 3 smoke grenade.
Alright, fellas, you ready?
To your left. Zach, you're walking right to him, dude. He's prone to your left. Right by
Am
the
I killed? 30 seconds.
Screaming in
One is down.
There's 3.
Level 3 backpack over here. What do we see?
You got 18 seconds to get in circle. Coming up to this.
We're close.
You gotta be real close to me.
Fuck. Should I drive around?
No. Just stay prone. Everybody stay prone.
I'm looking southwest. I'm not seeing anything.
I'm in.
They're gonna be
One
down
close
the hill.
tree.
They're gonna be down the hill from us.
Yep.
There, do you see him?
One close.
Where?
Oh, he's fucking me up.
Got him, bitch! Got him!
Nice.